Hi there, welcome to my video on making aluminum can stars. These are just a sample of what we're going to learn to make today. Here's a pink one. I did a pink Christmas tree last year, so I made a bunch of pink ornaments. You can see there's the hook there for it. They go nice on presents, gift baskets. They're just fun. It's a nice craft you can do with the kids. I don't usually promote it that way because it does have scissors involved and I'd be afraid of a child cutting themselves. So a parentally monitored craft for sure. And this is one of my favorite colors, star. You don't have to use the glitter. That's just a little add-on. So I'm going to move these stars out of the way, show you how I do this. I started doing them by purchasing a stencil, and I took the stencil, and we'll just go with a medium-sized one. I'm going to make the stencil into a template. Yes, so, and what I'm doing it on, I should have mentioned, is just everyday packaging cardboard. It's not cardboard like you receive packages in the mail. It is the kind that comes on, say, cereal boxes, cake mix boxes. Pretty much anything that's a box that you buy for food item is perfect. So as you can see, I have traced that. And then you're going to cut it out, and I'll just show you. I've got mine already cut out. I've got several different sizes. Okay. So what you'll do then is you'll get your flat aluminum. And if you watched my basics on aluminum cans, some of my first videos, there I show you how to cut, how to clean, cut, and make the flat pieces of aluminum. So if you've watched those, you already know how to get to this point. So what we're going to do here is we're going to flip it over, and we're going to trace it that way. So we will do a small one. Get it to fit on there nicely. Being that it is the color, well, it's a darker color, you're going to want a white marker or a white gel pen. I got this one at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to go around. Otherwise, you wouldn't see your pen lines. Black Sharpie I use a lot of. You wouldn't see those lines. And just trace it. And then you've got your star there, just like so. You're going to want to cut that out. I recommend using smaller scissors so it doesn't crumple with the cuts. Now here are some that I have already cut out in advance for this video. And let's just start with this one. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to flip it over on its back side. We're going to take a ruler. Now, you can use for this next step either a ball stylus pen. I do like these. Actual pens work great too. So we're going to just do what everyone has, a pen. And what you want to do is you want to match up your edge here to the middle of those 2 points right there as best as you can, and just come in slightly. So we're going to press really hard and do that. We're going to continue and go all the way around with our indents. And we want to have something of a porous surface. Any of these cardboard pieces, packaging cardboard, are great because it has a little give and you won't be ruining, for one, you won't be ruining your nice desktop, countertop, whatnot, and it will also indent a little better. So we've got, that's how it's looking, and we're going to go around and do each side like that. I've got some that I've already done. Okay, so this one, I went around and did the indent with my ruler from each point to each middle, all the way around. And then this is what it will look like. Okay? So then what you want to do is play with it. So we want these pieces here to be down rather than ridged up like they are. So it is helpful if you go over them, just those pieces from the center, and make them down points. Like that. Just from the center to the outside. And it's okay if you get a little pen on it. You're going to more than likely be painting them anyways. And spray paint, super easy. Generally, it's a one coat deal. And if you are going to want glitter on them, have that handy when you're spray painting. And right after it's done, sprinkle that glitter on. If you hand paint them, which these, for example, were hand painted, gives you a little more time, opportunity, sprinkle on the glitter. And the glitter will stay. I did these several years ago. So it's really good. And I didn't seal it with anything either, so you know that works well. So I've done all those down indents, and you're going to want to bend them a little bit in, all the way around, and then kind of pop your star up, just like so. Now these main ones, we're just going to want to bend those a little bit, all the way down. Not too drastic of bending, but just enough. It'll start forming. Nice shape. Go all the way around doing that. Your points, sometimes they don't match up totally perfect, but you can always snip at the end if you're not happy with your points. Done that many times. All right. So I've gone around each piece. My dogs are in here playing right now. They love the craft room. All right, and then reinforce those ones that we did last. A little bend like that. There we go. You've got a star. Now, if you want this star to be an ornament, you can either do it before or after, but you can take a pin, a push pin works really well. This happens to be a blade pen. You just find a little spot, poke it through. Push pins work better. But there we go. You can do that after you've painted it too. You've got your little hole there. Fix that up a bit. And you just get any sort of wire. Run it through. Like so. Do a little twist. And there you are. I would snip off, generally, the excess right there. But you've got a star that you can hang on your Christmas tree. And your kids can write on them. You can put the year, any kind of decoration, any kind of paint. You can even use Sharpies. If you don't have paint, let me find one. Here's red. See, they color pretty well also. The one thing about doing the Sharpie color, well, there's a couple things actually. You can add the glitter, and it will fade over time. It can also be scratched off, but it does. It definitely fades. And you may need to do a couple coats, but get the idea. If you want to do some quick ones, it's definitely fun with Sharpies with the kids for kids' crafts. So, now you know how to do the stars. It's really easy. And give yourself a break on the first few times. They might not come out perfect, but it's really easy to get the hang of it, and they're fun. You can have them on the wall. You can add them to pretty much anything. I do a lot of gift baskets. I add them on the outside for decoration. I actually had in my stairway a bunch of stars going up the wall. So your limits are 0. And that's pretty much it for aluminum can stars. I like to make the videos as speedy as possible. If you have any questions, please just shoot me a message. If you do like my content and would like to see more, please, I'd really appreciate it. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. That's how I'll know to make more videos. I really look forward to showing you more creations. Have a great day, everyone.